Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim, back at our favorite spot, the diner on 55th.
55th and St. Clair.
Now, the last 32 years, you've had incredible success with birth injury cases, medical malpractice cases, and catastrophic injury cases. I want to talk a little bit about medical malpractice cases.
Okay.
In situations where someone is told that the accident was unavoidable, as far as, a medical injury is concerned, what should someone do when they hear that?
Don't believe them. Flat out, don't believe them. In 3 decades that I've been doing this, I can't tell you how many times a family has been told that the medical mistake was unavoidable. The client called me. I got all the medical records, and sometimes, Jason, it's boxes and boxes of medical records. Then we sit down with our medical experts and professionals. It may be a radiologist, maybe a cardiologist, it may be a nurse, emergency room nurse. We'll look at every record, go through with a fine-tooth comb. And if after going through that process, my opinion is the problem could not have been avoided, then I'll tell the client that. But many times a client is told that the problem could not have been avoided, and it is so far from the truth it's not funny.
Okay, so when they hear that and they call you and you go through that process, pulling out all these medical records, it sounds complicated.
Yes, very complicated, very, very expensive, very complicated, and very time-consuming. But it needs to be done. It has to be done in serious catastrophic injury cases.
And I guess someone, an individual, it would be tough to do that themselves.
Impossible to do that themselves. So, I take great pride in knowing that the difference I make in a case, that but for my involvement, the client would have no chance at justice.
Okay, so how can someone get a hold of you?
It's real simple. Call 1-800-55-MISNY or visit my website, misnylaw.com.
All right, thanks so much, Tim.
Jason, thank you.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.